Let's talk about Chartreuse replacement.
Escorial. It comes in at 56%. The colors, I would say a lighter green. The nose is really herbaceous, minty. Okay, mouthfeel, fantastic. Heat, based on like the ABV, really, really nice. Not too warm, not too soft. Definitely mintier than your traditional Chartreuse. However, kind of hitting all the spots. Like if Chartreuse had a baby with just the mint part of Menta Branca from Fernet, I don't want to do the Spirit and Injustice and only compare it to Chartreuse. It's really gorgeous. It has a lot of depth. The mouthfeel is really nice and round. It's not crazy sweet. It's got enough backbone that it would definitely hold up in a cocktail. It would definitely alter some cocktail flavor profiles, but not in a way that I think is so aggressive that they become inauthentic to what they were originally. That's a lot of words to say that this is just really tasty. Delicious, number one. Number two, stands alone beautifully. Number three, not a bad step in if you are looking to replace the good old green.